Welcome to the FedEx channel. My name is Federico and I'm here with one of the participants from DEATHCon 2024. What's your name?
My name is Brandon.
Brandon, you actually say that you traveled just to came here to Orlando's DEATHCon, huh?
Absolutely, yeah.
So tell us more about it. What's your experience, man? Like, this is exciting. I mean, this is my first DEATHCon as well. So I was like a fish without a water, learning a lot, seeing how the sauce is really made. But I want to hear your perspective.
Yeah, so I traveled from where I live in New Jersey, and I heard about this about 6 months ago, this conference, and I just signed up. And I'd say the experience has been pretty great in the sense of it's a small, tight knit group. Everyone here is extremely welcoming. Everyone wants to learn and help each other. Even if there's something that you might not know and you kind of feel a little silly for asking, and no one is shaming you, everyone wants you to grow and learn. And I would say probably the best benefit of conferences like this is really just their community and the small family feel. But apart from that, also the amazing content and labs that's been developed. Uh, a lot of infrastructure is built up, and also having the labs at a later time. So yeah, I'm very glad I came.
Yeah, you're absolutely right about that. There's one thing that I'm actually going to take from it is actually going home and keep working on the labs. Like the fact that the labs will stay open for quite extensive time is going to be amazing because there's so much knowledge to be learned. When you know something, there's somebody else that actually is teaching you something else. That's the beauty about cybersecurity. That's the beauty about what we do in this industry is that we constantly evolving, we constantly learning from each other, and we constantly making new friends. I mean, now we actually got a new friend from Jersey that actually loves DC 407 and he loves the DEATHCon. And I mean, actually, we'll be expecting you in 2025.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I go to a number of conferences, and to me, I like the smaller ones. I also like when they grow and get bigger and they scale. But I'm definitely planning to come back, and it's really cool to be a part of it.
Now, this was you say this was your first time you heard about it 6 months ago.
Yeah.
But did you know that this is also internationally? Because
Uh,
I find out this week and it blew my mind. Like I thought it was a small conference, and then I come here and see that it's not. We meet in locally here, but it's going nationwide. I mean, it's going worldwide. People are actually going to the same material. They're doing the same CTFs and all the other stuff worldwide. So that was just mind blowing to me.
Yeah, I did know it was international. I actually met one of the founders, Randy, at a tour camp here in Washington State back in end of June, and uh, yeah, I was just blown away about by Randy. I did his workshop there, and that pretty much sold it. And I knew it was international, and I knew there was a remote class, but to me, it's worth the travel. It's worth coming out and interacting with everyone. So.
Well, we're glad that you actually came here to Central Florida. That our DC 407 was actually here to welcome you, and we had a great time in the last 2 days learning and the community just learning in general. It was just amazing. But any final thoughts you want to tell everyone about what you learned? Anything that you want to express to people that are coming out of school that just want to get into cybersecurity?
Yeah, I would say get out of your comfort zone. A lot of us tend to be introverted in this community. Get out of your comfort zone. You should always put yourself in the place you want to be, like the environment, right? So, like attracts like, be with like-minded people. Again, a lot of people like to just kind of stick their head in their laptop, but like I would say, learning, there's all sorts of different ways to learn, but I learn best by hands-on and in a social environment with others. So uh, I would, even if you've never done that before, I would give it a try.
Now, and for those that actually want to get in communication with you, is there anywhere that people can follow you? Do you have a page? Do you have a LinkedIn? Do you do something on the side with like getting into a community and engaging other members?
Yeah, so I don't do that much yet. I'm not on Twitter or anything like that. I do have a LinkedIn, so you can look me up by my name on there. Brandon, the last name is Slywka. I'm not really too active as far as what I'm posting there, but one of my kind of goals is to start, having more of a presence and posting what I'm working on. So.
Well, then there you have it. It's maybe an opportunity to grow your network and grow his network together in LinkedIn. So don't forget to follow, share, and like. Thank you.